How to buy credits. This tutorial is intended for content owners in the casual tier and explains how to purchase credits in your content owner account, which can then be used to deliver your films worldwide. First, log in to your content owner account at Artinii.com. In the dashboard menu, click on Buy Credits in the navigation panel. Enter the amount you wish to purchase or select one of the predefined options, then review the price. Prices are shown excluding VAT. Accept the terms and continue to Stripe's secure payment gateway. Enter your payment details and confirm the transaction. VAT may apply to EU customers without a valid VAT ID. If you are an EU customer and have a valid VAT ID, please make sure it is added to your company or billing profile before checkout to ensure VAT is not applied. No VAT is charged for customers outside the EU. Once completed, the credits will appear in your account balance. You can now use your credits to send films worldwide.